What's going on YouTube? Roy from Sneaker Brothers. If you can't tell, we're out here in Atlantic City. Originally we were supposed to be here for Just Nice, which is tomorrow, but it got canceled due to the weather, northeastern. So we're gonna do a little pivot and check out one of the local stores around here. But before anything, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, ring the bell for notifications. It really helps us out. And we're also gonna check out some local stores, man, like the mall that's also nearby. Make the most out of this trip. But we're also gonna do some gambling too, but we won't show any of that. But let's see what we find out. Stay tuned. Okay, so we're on our way to Swaps AC, and we did a little roundabout to see if we can find parking, and it looks like they're closed. So yeah, so I think we're just gonna check out Nike. Hopefully they have stuff, but I'm gonna do another circle around just to double check and make sure they're closed. But we're about to show you right now. But we are in the Tangent Outlets area in the AC, and it hasn't started snowing yet. It's supposed to start snowing in about 2-3 hours or so, maybe 4. So we'll see. We're not sure if we're gonna stay here through the weekend or just leave. So I guess we'll find out soon. Swaps AC. I wish you guys could have had at least a small opening today. Or some cash for me. Was trying to cash you out, but I guess it's not gonna happen today. I don't like they have Alma Near ones. They have a couple good pairs of ones there. Alright. I guess we'll figure it out. I guess on to Nike. Alright guys. We're out here at Nike in Atlantic City. It's just, you know, they're closing at 4, so we gotta hurry up. Hopefully they have some stuff though. It's like $3.50. Alright, I guess let's make our way this way. I haven't been in a Nike outlet in a while, so hopefully they have some stuff. Let's see. It might be those where you gotta ask for it. First, we gotta make sure it's worth it. So at this point, I saw the Jordan 1s, and I needed definitely to go back to it just to make sure it was a good cop. So I looked up the prices, and the value of it was about $180. So I knew it was an instant cop. So I went there to go grab it. All right, let's see how many they let me get.
Are they one per customer? One. Two per customer.
Okay.
2 per customer.
Can I get, there's 2 of us, so can I get the biggest 4?
The biggest 4?
Yeah.
What you mean?
Like, yeah, 4, 13. Yeah, we'll get.
Yeah, because it's 2 of
So
us.
you want like 4, you want 2 13s and 2 13s, or 2 12s and 2 12s?
Yeah, one of the biggest sizes.
Brian, can you go to the back and can you grab the Jordan 1? Can you bring me 2 size 12 and 2 size 13?
Okay. Maybe we should have came back. Maybe we should have came yesterday too, huh? Let's see. Right now it is $3.49. So
All right, keep looking then.
let's see if we can find something else. Oh, it doesn't look promising. Well, good thing we got the Jordan 1 loaded. But you know, there's always good steals with people who just look to buy for themselves. For the resale, nothing here right now. Oh, you want some slides?
No.
You want the Jordans, right?
Yeah.
Here you go, right here.
Oh, okay.
What size was it, Mom? 2 12 and a half.
12 and a half and 2 12. Awesome.
14, 12 and a half, and 2 12s.
All right.
There you go. You gotta split it up into 2 purchases, and unfortunately, you can't use the 15%, okay?
No, there's 50% off there?
Yeah, but you can't use it on.
Oh, of course, yeah.
Alright, but yes, everything else, 15% off.
That's the whole
each
store right now?
The whole store.
Holy
You
crap.
gotta sign up for the email.
Okay. Hey, if you're already a member, you
You
get it.
have to sign up for the email.
Okay.
What y'all do? YouTubers time?
Yeah, a little.
Make sure you check us out. Sneaker Brothers.
Yes, ma'am. I'll hold up right now.
Yeah, please.
Which ones? Jordans and stuff?
Yeah, Jordan, Nike, you know, Adidas, all the good stuff.
That's what's up. Let me see. search my YouTube when it's well.
Oh, you could follow us on Instagram if you want better. Then we usually just post a link on there.
So no 10 pairs per person on this?
Nah, not those ones. Right there, Sneaker Brothers Graham.
Yes, that's us.
That's y'all.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Oh, y'all up there. Y'all almost got 10,000.
Yeah, almost there. You know, we just need almost there. You gotta.
And what y'all do? What y'all buy, resell?
Yeah, we buy and resell. Like we've been doing this for a while. We buy and resell.
Okay.
We have like our own like online store and the warehouse. So we just come and shop with us.
That's what's up.
And now we've been doing a
Do
little
y'all do
YouTube.
like trades and stuff?
Yeah, a little everything.
Okay. That's what's up. What's your name?
My name is Roy.
Roy?
Yeah.
Hold on, let me grab two. I'm gonna take them up for you.
Oh, thank you so much.
Come on. My name is Goya, I like the beans. Goya, I like the beans.
Oh yeah. Oh. Okay. Alright guys. We just got Nike. They close at 4 p.m. It literally is right now 4 p.m. We got a little lucky with some Jordan 1s. Man, if we were able to stay here another day, we would definitely come back every day for these because these are nice. But when we get back to the room, we're gonna show you guys what we got. We're gonna do a little recap. Okay, let's go. And yeah, we're definitely not gonna be able to make it on the store to the other stores because we were just talking to them, and they pretty much said they got like a warning, like a blizzard warning that they shut the whole outlets down at 4 o'clock. So now it's officially 4 o'clock, so all these stores are definitely closed, and they weren't playing no games. Like as soon as we walked in, they're like, "You only have 15 minutes to shop." We're like, "Okay." So to make most of the day, we're gonna check out the mall. Hopefully we get there real quick. Hopefully they're not closed, and we can go there, be in and out, grab something, whatever stuff they may have. So we'll check you guys out after that.
Getting ran over.
Should I go all the way down so we can Alright guys, we got back from Nike in the mall and we're about to see what we got. We're back in the room. We went to the Tandra outlets here in AC. We went to the Hamilton Mall. We didn't really film in the Hamilton Mall because, you know, the blizzard's coming, so we had to try to be in and out because they were kind of getting ready to close and stuff. But we bought some stuff anyways, but we'll start off with the Nike. We got this all at Nike. All the same shoes. Let's see what it is. A Jordan 1 Low. It's like a paint splatter one, but they had it for retail, and these goes for like already like 180, 190. So it was obviously an automatic buy. So this was a great purchase. Unfortunately, they only limit you to 2 per person, so that's why I was only able to get 4. So we got a 12, 12 and a half, and 14. So this was definitely good. Put this over here. Alright, we got some more mellows. You know, he's probably gonna be like a superstar. We got this one from Foot Action in Hamilton Mall, but this guy should be a superstar. We got these from Foot Locker. You know, not all the buys you're gonna make are like retros or Yeezys or quote unquote hype stuff, you know, you're gonna run into some good sale options, which is these. We ran into some woman Air Max 90 that they had on sale for $59.99, and they retail for one. Well, it's broken off. I think they retail for $110. So this was a good buy because I should be easily be able to sell it for retail. So that was a good buy. That one at Foot Locker. And the best purchase, which was a surprise. I don't know if you guys can tell what shoe this is right away, but can you see now? Okay. Let me know if you know what that was before I open this. Can you still tell or no? Picked up some red Thunder 4's for retail at Foot Action. Definitely the biggest come up out of everything here. On one pair at least. Because Nike was definitely the overall come up. But this was a surprise. I walked in, you know, my usual self, just, you know, talk to them, you know, build some rapport. And I asked him, you know, you have any retros left? He's all, we actually have one red Thunder 4's, but a size 10. I'm like, all right, I'll take it. So, got these. So we got a size 10, size 7, size 12 women's Air Max 90s, size 12, 12 and a half, and 14 Jordan 1 lows. So this is pretty much our haul for Atlantic City. We did not let the blizzard stop us, although it's coming soon and quickly. So we're debating whether we're gonna stay here and weather out the storm or leave before the storm gets here. But besides that, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Let us know where you want us to go check out. The Just Nice one got canceled, so maybe we'll attend the other date that they have scheduled. But I guess we'll see if that fits into our schedule. But we will be going to All-Star, so definitely check out for our next video about that. But definitely let us know where you want us to check out. But thanks, guys.